Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on startup sound on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on or enable startup sound on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization, and here you will find Themes. Click on Themes and Sounds. Windows default, a option. You will find this option. Just click on Sounds. In Sound property, click on Sounds tab, and below you will find Play Windows Startup Sound. Now it is not selected. Just click here to select it. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. Now startup sound on Windows 11 computer is enabled. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.